Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel ng Marites na Katatakutan, and it's me, Sanas! For today's video guys, is panoorin naman natin yung mga nakakahilakbot na pangyayari na nakunan ng doorbell camera. So let's go at banatin na natin to. So yun guys, please pakihit naman ng subscribe si Chilling Scares. So let's get it started.
This first doorbell camera footage was taken in broad daylight. A man in at least his 20s is seen selling candy door to door. The homeowner with the camera would open the door for the man. She would then proceed to make a purchase, with the actual transaction itself being shown. But shortly after, 3 more men revealed themselves.
Oh my God.
They were armed.
Ala, napakadelikado. May araw pa, talagang wala silang pinipili.
And took advantage of the open door by robbing the woman in her own home.
Yun, no? Ay, Diyos ko.
The whole operation was a setup, with the man selling the candy being in on it.
Ah,
From the start, the intention was to gain the homeowner's trust to get it.
putik yun, yung mga delikado dyan. Yung mga gantong klaseng tao. Akala mo, totoo, pero kuntsaba pala. Ang lamig.
To open her front door so that they could rob her at
Kawawa
gunpoint.
naman yung may-ari ng bahay.
The men swiped some of her belongings and later rushed off.
Oy,
Was captured on the night of March 7th, 2019. Shown is a man stepping on a house's front porch and emptying an entire yellow fuel container just in front of the door.
ay po.
The man then attempts to
May plano sisilaban tong bahay. Luko-luko tong tao.
light the fuel using a small lighter.
Ay, nagsilab nga. Ay, gagi. Ibang trip din. Magalit siguro to dyan sa nakatira dyan. Ayaw umilaw. Ayaw magsindi.
After failing to catch the fuel on fire, the man gives up and just walks away. As it turns out, he had mistakenly used diesel fuel rather than regular gasoline. And while gasoline is extremely flammable, diesel fuel is much less so. Had the man used gasoline and
Yun pala yun. Hindi siya, kaya pala ayaw sumindi. Syunga din to no?
he would have no doubt started the house, along with himself, on fire. In the house at the time was a mother and her 2 children. When the mother saw the footage, she would call the police, who would later identify and arrest the man in his house just across the street. The woman claimed she didn't know the man, and had no idea why he would want to harm her and her family.
Parang may
When
self-pick
questioned
lang
why he
ito.
did it, the man claimed he had seen a ghost and was trying to get rid of it, suggesting he was most likely under the influence of something. He
Nakasyunga.
was later charged with attempted homicide and arson. On February 2, 2022, a contractor in Houston was working at a townhome. At around 6 p.m., the contractor claimed an unknown man that was armed and wearing a mask suddenly appeared inside the townhome with him. The unknown
Katakot ng mga ganyan. May pamaskara-maskara pa na ganyan.
man proceeded to force the contractor into a bathroom, where he then tied him up by bounding his feet and hands. Afterwards, he rummaged through the townhome for over an hour, all the while listening to a police scanner to verify the police weren't on their way. And this footage captured exactly that.
Ang gagawin niya? Ninakaw yung... Ano yung nagnakaw siya? Carnap.
After taking multiple items belonging to the homeowners, who were out of town at the time, the man found the contractor's keys and drove off with his truck that now contained everything that he had stolen.
Agoy.
The man was never found by police. However, the stolen truck was. It was found 2 days
Grabe, ang galing ng mga ganitong magnanakaw, no?
later, unoccupied in a nearby restaurant parking lot. But ever since, nothing else has been found. Footage captured an unknown man walking up to the front door of this house.
No.
Right away, he leans against the door and tries to open it. He doesn't even
Ito yung mga nakakatakot gabi, tapos ganyan pa yung itsura ng pintuan nyo, ano yan, salamin?
knock, but the doorbell camera alerts the homeowner of motion being detected, so the homeowner still gets up to see who it is. Before asking any questions, the homeowner opens the door to see what the man wants. Then, without any hesitation, the man steps inside the house. Naturally, the homeowner saw this as a red flag, and shortly
Ba't bigla ka agad magbubukas ng pinto tapos hindi ata kilala?
after tells the man he needs to leave. But he didn't listen, forcing the homeowner to have to physically push him out of the house.
Tamo. Dapat hindi magbubukas ng pinto agad-agad.
Hello. Hi. How are you, sir? Who are you? Amber. How are you? Good. You need to leave. Her. Out there. What's the staircase? What? What's the stairs? Come on, where are you going? What's the stairs? Goodbye, you.
Buti na lang medyo malaki yung may-ari ng bahay. Kung hindi yari.
As
Paano
the
kung
door is
babae?
being closed on him, the man forcefully punches the glass on the door. But fortunately, the homeowner was still able to close and lock it. The man then continues to stand at the door, trying the door handle, before the video ends. What this man had actually planned is unknown.
Baliw lang.
This video was taken on the night of August 10th, 2021. A woman is seen returning home from work. She unlocks her door and walks in. But before she can close it again, a man that was armed enters her home just behind her. Shortly after, another man can be seen. The two would demand the keys to the woman's car, and after she gave it to them, they would run back outside to where her car was parked, where they would then drive off with it.
Ay, putik. Hindi rin si ate, no, dire-diretso, hindi siya aware sa kapaligiran niya. Dalawang lalaki.
Police were immediately called, and only a couple hours later, they would find the stolen vehicle at a stoplight. They attempted a traffic stop, but the vehicle fled. The high rate of speed and rainy
Ngayon yung kagandahan sa ibang bansa high-tech. High-tech din yung mga polis. Ewan ko lang sa Pinas.
conditions that night made following it almost impossible, so police had to give up. The vehicle is yet to be found, but the two involved in the theft would be found only 2 days later. The one that confronted the woman was charged with home invasion, armed robbery, and motor vehicle theft. In Phoenix, Arizona.
Ito yung
It's the middle of the night,
creepy.
and this was captured on one homeowner's doorbell camera.
Parang may espada pa siya. Ba't parang ganun yung pagmumukha niya?
A man armed with an actual sword, a hammer, and an axe walks up to the front porch.
Ay,
He then
putik,
proceeds to steal
nakakatakot.
multiple items outside of the house.
Loh. Ang gawin niya. Pag may mga ganyan dala-dala, nakakatakot. Talagang
At one
papatay
point, a
siguro
car
yan ng
drives
tao.
by, but the man completely ignores it.
Anong ginagawa niya dyan?
After a while, he walks off with his bag filled with stolen items, the sword still being held under his arm. While at work, a man in Florida would receive a message on his phone.
Kaya, maganda talaga mayroong kamera sa harap ng pintuan para alam mo kung sino yung nasa labas at makikita mo rin.
saying someone rang his doorbell. When he checked the live feed, this is what he saw. A man wearing a hat, sunglasses, and bandana is standing at the front door. And disturbingly, he's holding a handgun in clear view of the camera.
No.
The
Meron siyang
doorbell's
handgun.
audio system would ask the man to leave a message for the homeowner, and he does. He claims he lost his dog and wants to look in the homeowner's backyard for it.
Nakakatakot ang puta.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hey, just wondering if you guys saw the lost puppy. He's a pit bull, blue nose. I believe he came in your yard, but I don't want to look without your permission.
Siya nga, maghahanap lang siya ng papi tapos nakatabon yung mukha niya. Nakabandana.
Hey, you at the wrong house, dog.
Alright.
Katakot
After the
ang
homeowner
puta.
came on the speaker and confronted the man, he quickly left with no questions asked. As it turns out, this wasn't the only house he did this to.
So that's it for tonight, guys. So, mag-iingat po ang lahat at laging isarado ang mga pinto. See ya!